Okay, sheet 2's work is finished. Now I am opening sheet 3. Here I will do the result sheet. The result sheet, the heading is written here. Always keep in mind that when we will insert any row, it will insert it from the upper side, and when you will insert any column, it will be inserted from the left side. That's why I am putting the cursor here for inserting a row up, and go to insert in this corner, then click the down arrow, insert a row. Here the row inserted. Then select the range of cells up to this, do margin center, change the size big, the heading is given. In the previous sheet I showed you how will you do this design. Here suppose between ICT and total I need to insert a column. What I have to do, skip the cell pointer in the right one, then go to insert column. It will be inserted from the left side. Again I want to delete this one. What I have to do, select the full row and just click the delete. It is deleted. Same as suppose here this row I want to delete it. What I have to do, click here and go to the delete. It will be deleted. Then give Ctrl Z. It will be returned again. Okay, this design you can do. I'm showing you how you can find the total. It is the formula of sum. Now click and drag down, automatically the sum is there. For grading, here you have to write a formula. It is called if condition. It means you have to give some condition that if the number is this, the result will be this. If the number is this, the result will be this. Now focus the formula bar. Check. Here is the formula. On the basis of this total, here the total marks is, highest total mark is 444. That's why I gave the ceiling 400. If the total is greater than equal to 400, it will be A plus. If the total is greater than equal to 350, it will be A. If the total is greater than equal to 200, it will be B. In this way, more conditions you can give. And last condition I gave, if the total is less than 200, then it will be F. Now, how many brackets started here? Check. When I am closing the bracket, the starting points are highlighted. Shift, first one, second one, third one, fourth one. It means 4 bracket I started here and 4 close buttons brackets I gave. Enter. Automatically the grade came here. And when you will click and drag down, the formulas came down and it's showing us the grade. On the basis of our condition, if it is less than 200, then it will be F. Now look, it is 192. That's why it is F. Again, for B, if it is greater than 200, it means it is 200 to 350. That's why it is B. Which one is more than 350? That one is A. And check these two. These are more than 400. That's why it is A plus. Okay, up to this clear. Now for taking print out, we have to give a boundary. It means border line. For that reason, select the range of cells and go to format. Come to the down format cell, check outline and inside, give OK. All the grid lines are showing, and now when you will take this printout, it will show you in this way. If we will not give these grid lines, it will show in blank sheet, only the numbers are spreading here and there. Here I will show you how you can insert chart.